Memories. I like that one. Oh, Whistler. Okay. Oh, we're almost about done. It looked like it was so much more. I guess it was more bigger items. Oh, there's Snoopy. So they had Snoopy and Charlie Brown. I might need to keep Snoopy. He's in better condition. He's like brand new. I don't know. Oh, then we have a pizza cutter. These are really cute. So you have the pizza cutter, the ice cream scooper, and then that wine opener. Those are cute. I wonder if my daughter may like those, cause she may like something like that. It's more modern, you know. Hmm. Cute, cute. I think my favorite would have to be the pizza cutter. That's really, really cute. Who makes these?